As a scientist, I originally found out that glucose is the energy that fuels all living things, which is quite the different perspective from glucose when people think of it as diabetes, which can be a concept that's a little bit limited. So Glucose Studios was birthed upon the idea of shifting perspectives and broadening our perspectives. So Glucose Studios is about energizing change and energizing new perspectives. And I have this jug here today because the best example is when I first started teaching, I got into the classroom on my very first day, and I said to my very first set of students, which were a bunch of high school students, I said, they were all quiet. I put this jug up in the front and I filled it halfway with water, and I gave them each a little teeny tiny piece of paper. What is this jug? How full of water is this jug? Is really how I asked the question. They all looked at me a little sneaky, and they were thinking that they were going to be sneaky by saying it was half empty or whatever. And they handed them in. I collected all the responses, and the responses were either half empty or half full. And I looked at them and I said, in this classroom, remember this always. There's no right or wrong, first of all. And second, it's full. It's full. It may be filled with half air and half water, but it's full. Minds blown. And I said, welcome to my classroom. We're about to get down. Welcome to Glucose Studios. We're about to get down.